We're talking to you from Servitax today, addressing doubts and questions people might have relating to the 2020 stimulus payments. In order to make changes to the information the IRS has on file for you, there are two possible ways. The first is to add direct deposit information which the IRS does not previously have for you. You can go through the Get My Payment link on the IRS website, entering your basic information, and then it'll give you the option right on the page to add a payment account. If you need to change either your address or an existing direct deposit account with the IRS, the only certain way to do this is to file your 2019 tax return. By doing that, the IRS will immediately have all of your new information, and any stimulus payments will be directed to that new address or direct deposit account. If you need help with filing your 2019 taxes, you can always contact us on the link below. And if you want to keep abreast of changes or updates, you can subscribe to our channel and check our social media.